Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video. Today I have a really cool video where I'm working with a new company called DB Journey. They were formerly called Douchebags, and they had like a really cool line of backpacks, and they switched over their name. It's called DB Journey now. When you look on their website, their website honestly reminds me of like something Apple-esque. Like, it looks super nice, super like just very clean. Basically, they hit me up and asked if I was interested in any of their products that they carry. They carry like a bunch of different backpacks and outdoor stuff. And if you know me, I'm always out. I always take the Jeep out with my wife. We're always doing different things. I love backpacks. I always use different ones for work and stuff like that. So I said, you know what, why not? I think your stuff is really cool. I really like it. I kind of let them know what my preferences were. Black, purple, my two favorite colors, anything like that. They also asked me what kind of model I liked, and I told them the Strom was a really cool one. So I don't really know what's coming in this package. It showed up right now from FedEx. I'm super excited to open this thing up. The box here looks absolutely crazy. You can see it has like a mountaintop and all these trees and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. All right, so it looks like they sent me two different things. I see we have this black one here. There's also something purple here on the ground, so we're gonna be opening that one soon, but let's see what it says. It says this one here is the Hugger 20 liter. I think the Hugger is now considered the Storm though. Yeah, so looking on their website right here, it says the Storm is formerly known as the Hugger, and they have it in different sizes. This one here is the 20 liter, so it's supposed to be the smaller version. All right, so taking it out of the bag, the material on here is supposed to be like a water resistant and like all element protection. This is the bag I have been using for work. It's by Air. I got that backpack about 3 years ago, I want to say, and after the first year, it really just lost all its integrity to it. It is a waterproof one, which is why I went with that one, and which is why I like this Storm backpack here. Just that one, it really started to peel, and I really don't like that because I spent a lot of money on that one, a lot more than what these cost. And it started to peel. It really didn't hold its integrity and shape, and I just really kind of got tired of it after a while. It was more of a nuisance than something that I was, looking forward to use. But taking a look at this thing is going to be dope. So let me go ahead and get this all set up for you guys. As you can see, it has their old branding here still as Douchebags. Really cool about this bag though is you can open it up this way. So it kind of reminds me of like a camera bag, something that my brother would use. And I know they do sell little inserts for camera bags, and a lot of people do use these for that. Me though, I'm always out on the road and stuff like that, so all these zips that you see on the inside, even on the front panel here, are going to come in real key when I have to put like portable chargers, my actual chargers, computer chargers, all that kind of stuff. I also have a top pocket here, which is really awesome because I can put my keys and wallet here and not have to be running through the whole backpack trying to find all my stuff, because that other backpack there, it just has two big pockets. So if I want to put something in there, I usually would use the big one in the front, and you just kind of reach in there and try to find all your stuff. With this, you can even put something in this little zip so you know exactly where it's going to be. But I'm probably just going to throw my stuff here because that Jeep key is super big and it just sticks out of my pocket all the time. And as you guys can see, this thing holds its shape really well. I think that's awesome. Like I was saying with that other one, the big reason I bought it is because I'm wearing the backpack 80% of the day pretty much when I'm not traveling with it. And I like it to not be all either smushed in or just like completely like bloated. That kind of gets on my nerves when backpacks do that. And that's why I bought that other one, because it said it was supposed to hold its shape. It wasn't supposed to tip over when you set it on the ground, stuff like that. All those claims kind of just didn't work. But with this here, the quality, I can already tell you, is much nicer than when I got that Air backpack. I thought that Air backpack was going to be super quality because before that I've had like JanSport, Oakley, stuff like that, which is decent. But that one was supposed to be like a premium brand. This one here seems to be even more premium than that. It's like there is a zip here, which opens into a laptop compartment, which is pretty clutch because that other one I had, the laptop compartment was in the big zip. So even if you put your laptop in there, it would still stick up and then stuff would scratch it. So my work laptop has a bunch of scratches on the top side of it because no matter what, the spirals in there, pens, stuff like that, if it floats around, it's going to chip it, hit it, stuff like that. Luckily, it's not mine, so I'm not worried about it. But with this, I feel comfortable putting my iPad, my wife's MacBook in here. I wouldn't have any concerns with it getting messed up because it's its own separate compartment. On the back side here, we do get some nice cushioning, and it says DB there. And also, these straps are cushioned pretty well. It feels like a neoprene material. I don't know, it kind of feels like that, something like out of a shoe, like a neoprene shoe. Feels pretty sturdy. Overall, this bag, I can already tell you, is going to hold its shape. I don't know if there's plastic inserts in here that make it hold its shape or what, but there's like no give to it at all. And this is a really, really nice backpack. I'm actually very stunned. I've never seen a backpack of this quality before. I've had North Face ones. I've always got like the Supreme North Face ones, and those, they are what they are, you know? And then that Air one was supposed to be my most functional one for work because I carry so many things for work, but this really just blows it out of the water. All right, so we did the 20-liter blackout. Now we have a 30-liter in purple, which is my favorite color. So talking size with these two, the blackout, as you can see, hopefully you can see the whole purple one, but the blackout one is a lot shorter than the purple one. Depth-wise, it's not as bad, I would say. Depth-wise, I would say it's just a little bit deeper on the purple one here. But there are some features that I'm already seeing that are a little bit different. So with the 20-liter here, you can see they have these two clips here on the straps. And I'm assuming you can either put like carabiners, you can hook this onto something, you can attach different things with that point. With this purple one here, you can see that's not present on the straps, but it's here on the top. So I think it might be a little bit better if you can actually attach things on the top. It's all preference, really. I mean, to me, I'm probably not going to be hanging these backpacks. Like I said, these are only going to be pretty much for work, or if we're out, you know, doing a trail or something. But I don't really ever hang my bags. I usually put them just on the ground, or if I have a carabiner, I hook it onto a fence, whatever's available. So that's really, really nice. The straps, the back, all the same neoprene material, same cushioning, same stuff like that. Looking on the inside, it's all the same. It's just a lot bigger. You do get these two pockets on the side with that mesh lining and the zippers. And then same compartment here on the top, that same mesh zipper, and this little compartment where you can throw your keys, wallet, whatever you need to get quickly. And then you do get your laptop sleeve here as well. I'm gonna go ahead and assume this can hold a bigger laptop, maybe like a 17. The other one probably going more for a 15. So if you're looking for something that's gonna hold a bigger laptop, I always recommend just going with the bigger bag. It's gonna be a safer bet. Overall, these are two really solid backpacks. The only difference really is the size. Me personally, this one's probably gonna be my long days that I know we're coming up. When I know I'm gonna have to be traveling, or I know that I'm gonna be working super late, just I'm able to pack more stuff in here. This one will probably also be my travel bag because there's a lot more room. You can just put more stuff in there. If I'm on an airplane or something like that and I know it's gonna probably get cold, I can actually throw a jacket in here and not worry about space. But for everyday work, when I'm going to the office, doing stuff like that, I think this one is gonna be the go-to. I think this one is just the perfect size, a lot smaller, pretty deep, so I can still put all my stuff that's needed to be in there. Has a spot for my work laptop. I mean, it's perfect. Both of them do have that water repellent material too, so I don't have to worry if it starts raining on me or anything like that. All my gears would be protected. And like I said, for all you people who are photographers, videographers, and stuff like that, they do carry different inserts you can put in there for your lenses, your cameras, and stuff like that. Overall, it's very rare that a company reaches out to me and I'm down with their product. I feel like brands will reach out to smaller creators like myself and just assume they're going to say yes because it's free content, you know? Like they just feel like that'll be something they can do. I'm sure they'll just take it up on that. Lately, I've been turning down a lot of different things like that. I'm just not interested in things that don't appeal to me. But this is something that I feel like can appeal to anybody. You know, if you're in school, you can definitely use one of these bags. If you're working like me, I'm using these bags now. And if you're a videographer, photographer, they have all those inserts you can use for here as well. And then the whole, you know, if you're going to be outside with them and stuff like that, with it being durable and then also water repellent, there's like no negative to this backpack. It's just pretty much the perfect backpack. I want to give a big shout out to DB Journey for hitting me up, letting me know that they wanted to work with me, and sending over two. I did not expect that. I was expecting one. When you guys asked for my preference and I told you just, well, pretty much anything, I didn't expect two, but I'm not going to complain. These bags are amazing, much better than the bags I'm currently using, and that's with all honesty. There's no attachment here. I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. You can get 10% off if you go on there and sign up for their emails. I don't have a code or anything like that, but like I said, this isn't a sponsored video. They just said, we're going to send these out to you. Let us know what you think. And like I said, I honestly think these are much better than what I'm currently using. This is that Air backpack I was telling you guys I use for work. These like scratches on it completely peeled off that outer shell. It doesn't really hold up on anything anymore. It just folds whenever you put it down. It used to have pretty good integrity when I first got it. I won't lie. That was really, really good. But after that, it kind of just died on me, man. And I've never experienced that from a backpack. You know, I've never had a good backpack. I've always bought like very flimsy ones. That one's claim to fame to me was that it was gonna hold up. You know, that's what I was looking for because I have to use a backpack pretty much every day at work. This here is such a breath of fresh air. I just feel like it's gonna be so much better. it just looks better too. I like the look of it. I feel like it just looks futuristic. It looks really, really nice. So I'm super excited to give these a go and just kind of let you guys know my feedback. I'm gonna use these for, I don't know, maybe a few months, maybe a year. I don't know. I'll do a follow-up video if you guys want me to do one as soon as you want me to do one. Just let me know down in the comments what you're thinking, like a few months, a year, how long you want me to go with these, because I did my research on them when they hit me up and it looks like I couldn't find anything negative about this brand. Overall, I mean, I'm pretty excited to give these a go. I'm really thankful for them to hit me up and, you know, trust me to do a review for you guys, and really, really dig it. I really do. DB Journey, formerly known as Douchebags, you guys are killing it, man. Really excited to give these a go. And like I said, everything on their website kind of reminds me of Apple. Everything looks super premium. If I could show you this whole unboxing experience that I just went through, I think you guys would be pretty amazed. It just opened all up the box and it tells you what you can use this box for in the future. The box just felt premium that it came in. Like, to me, I know it doesn't really matter. What matters is the product, right? But the presentation, all that kind of stuff, I appreciate. When I buy an Apple product, I appreciate that like they take that time to make sure the packaging is nice and stuff like that. I feel that same way, and the website looked pretty similar to Apple, the way that it was like laid out and stuff like that. Overall, I feel like this is a premium brand. I feel like I'm gonna love this brand, and I feel like you guys would love it too. Yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for me. Just wanted to do these videos for you guys, show you what they sent me. This stuff is super, super nice. I mean, honestly, I can't really describe it to you in person, but just look how this holds up. Its shape is perfect. I'm just super excited. But that is it. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. I'll catch you guys next time.